Adding a touch of class. Elevate your language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere. Add a touch of class. It's a phrase that can add flavor and sophistication to your conversations in English. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Stick around to elevate your language skills. Add a touch of class is a phrase that means to make something more elegant, stylish, or of higher quality. It's about enhancing the appeal or value of something by making it more refined or distinguished. This phrase can be applied to a wide range of contexts, from personal appearance and behavior to objects, events, and even ideas. This versatile phrase can be used in many scenarios. In fashion, when someone accessorizes their outfit in a way that makes it look more sophisticated. Home decor, introducing an elegant piece of furniture or art to elevate the overall look of a room. Behavior and manners, adopting a more refined or respectful manner can be considered adding a touch of class to one's personality. Events and gatherings, incorporating elegant elements into a party or meeting to make it more special. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are some examples. 1. By adding a vase of fresh flowers to the table, she was able to add a touch of class to the otherwise simple room. 2. Wearing a classic watch can add a touch of class to your outfit. 3. Choosing the right words and showing kindness in conversations can really add a touch of class to your interactions. Be subtle. The key to adding a touch of class is subtlety. It's about small changes that make a big difference. Know your audience. What is considered classy can vary depending on cultural or personal perspectives. Practice. Try using this phrase in your daily conversations or writing, especially when you want to express the idea of enhancing something to make it more appealing or refined. And that's a wrap on how to add a touch of class to various aspects of your life. Remember, adding a touch of class is all about elevating something to make it more elegant or refined. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're inspired to use this phrase in your English conversations. Don't forget to practice, and soon, you'll be adding a touch of class with ease. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.